Dayan was married to Bong. Both of them were residents of Pangasinan, but at present, Bong is already a resident of the USA. Dayan and Bong were not blessed with a child. According to Dayan's petition for annulment, she is an employee at the municipal hall, while Bong was jobless. The only time that Bong was employed was when her brother helped him become a seaman. Bong would allegedly come home every 10 months, and in those instances, he would always beat her and allege that she's carrying an affair with another man. Thereafter, Bong abandoned Dayan. Dayan's petition for annulment was grounded on Bong's alleged psychological incapacity. Should their marriage be annulled? In a landmark decision of the Supreme Court, it was held that psychological incapacity must be characterized by gravity, juridical antecedents, and incurability. The foregoing guidelines do not require that a physician examine the person to be declared psychologically incapacitated. In fact, the root cause may be medically or clinically identified. What is important is the presence of evidence that can adequately establish the party's psychological condition. For indeed, if the totality of evidence presented is enough to sustain a finding of psychological incapacity, then actual medical examination of the person concerned need not be resorted to. In this case, the totality of the evidence submitted by Dayan failed to satisfactorily prove that Bong was psychologically incapacitated to comply with the essential obligations of marriage. The root cause of Bong's alleged psychological incapacity was not sufficiently proven by experts or shown to be medically or clinically permanent or incurable. If at all, the only thing that the court may grant is a legal separation. If you have any questions regarding your legal concerns, please do not hesitate to email us at ptv4newscenter@gmail.com. This is Attorney JJ Jimeno Atienza for the Rule of Law.